So the first thing for us to do is going to be plugging in numbers, right? We have to be able, if I give you A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2, okay? And I give you a number or a set that's like 5A minus 4 plus 6 minus 8b. Okay? I need to be able to do the order of operations. What are the order of operations? PEMDAS, right? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. PEMDAS. Okay? Multiplication, division from left to right. Addition, subtraction from left to right. Okay? It's very important. So the first thing I do, I'm going to have to plug these in. Does that make sense? So the first thing I do is substitute. Okay? So I'm going to make 5A is 3 minus 4 plus 6 minus 8 times 2. Okay? And now I do parentheses. Okay? So I got to do this parentheses first. Parentheses. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Okay? And then I just bring everything else down. Okay? Parentheses again. They're all done. Okay? Exponents. There are none. Okay? Multiplication, division from left to right. So I go over and go, okay, this one's first. This multiplication comes first. So I have 5 times negative 1. Negative 5. Then everything else comes down. Okay? Then I do multiplication, division from left to right again. Okay? Oh, right there. This one comes next. All of it. Negative 8 times 2. Right? Negative 8 times 2, which is? 16. Negative 16, right? Then all of this just comes down. Minus 5 plus 6. Okay? And notice I'm doing the colors. The brown derives brown. The purple derives purple. The black derives black. So I know what every step I did in color code. Okay? Then if I need to, I go back to the same color I started with, red. And I'm like, okay, I'm still multiplication, division. But there is none, so I'm done with that. So now it's addition, subtraction, from left to right. So I start here and I go to here. Negative 5 plus 6. I need $5. I have $6. How much do I need or how much do I have? So I need $5 to pay for that coffee this morning, okay? I have 6. Do I have enough? How much do I have after I pay for it? $1. Okay? So have and need. That's what I like to think of every time that I'm doing negative numbers. Need is negative. I need it. Okay? So it helps me keep it straight in my head. I need 5, I have 6, that means I have $1. And then I just bring this down, minus 16. Okay? Then I go to the next stage, right? And the next stage is, again, addition, subtraction from left to right. And so I come over and I look at it and I'm like, okay, 1 minus 16, right? So, in other words, 1 plus a negative 16. I have 1. I need 16. Okay, I got $1 left. I need 16 to buy that coffee or whatever that breakfast, that's a lot of coffee, right? But, or that breakfast or whatever I wanted to eat. Okay? To be able to afford that breakfast, I need another $16. How much do I need? 15, right? So, I'm negative 15. And that's PEMDAS. That's plugging it in. All in one step. Okay?